gate, mats, air compressor, a couple quick attaches on the mower. Damn. Hot and windy. Let's get the flock out of here. Now I think I will give this old compressor a bath. Probably cover that electric motor and hose this thing off before we put her in the shop, but let's get her off and moved up somewhere. Goodness, I'm running out of space here. Okay, I need to move forward so I can unpin the trailer. Let's see if this thing will start. Guessing not, but... There we go. Do something about that. Goodness. I don't think it has any brakes. About to find out. Alright guys, got her in the shop. I leveled the deck up a little better. This side here was running high. It's really pretty easy. Raise it up, pop these little clips, and you've got all these little adjustments. So I've got it down near the bottom. This side might still be an 1/8 inch high, but close enough. I need to run through and grease everything real quick and then see if we can't get back out to mowing. Check the gearbox oil, engine oil, we're all pretty good. Throw a little grease on her and get busy. I'm thinking she hasn't been greased in a long time in certain places. Surprised I even took grease. Let's see, clean that thing off. Not that these are high motion joints that wouldn't kill it if it had a little bit of debris in it. That's a grease come off. Maybe outside. Please go through the wall here. There we go. Those, that's right. There. Well, there. There we go. I'll leave my clothes. So there's over. Alrighty. She does just as good on heavy stuff for the most part as it does on thin stuff. Not bad. Not really ideal conditions, but and when it's wet, if you jam on the pedal real hard, it will spin the tires. I kind of spun them right there, hit it too hard, but and it will move out at a good pace. But this over here has been mowed a lot and regular, so it's not tall. I don't know if you can see, but that's about how she does. Not bad. Not really scalping any areas and not leaving too much, not leaving too much straggling grass either. So I have yet to sharpen the blades. I wouldn't say they're the sharpest things in the world, but they are sharp enough. Yeah, they're fairly rolled over, but and they seem to be, I cannot talk today. They seem to be thicker than a normal lawnmower blade, and I've definitely hit some sticks and chunks of wood from time to time, and they don't seem to have minded at all. So I like this mower, and I'll give you my conclusions here in a minute. So I've got a couple acres here. Not a ton of property. I bought this mower really to try out for Mom and Dad. They've got probably 5 or 6 acres of yard down south, maybe more than that to mow, counting the property on the other side. And then my cousin lives across the creek, so they probably got close to 10 acres to mow. A lot of it is flat. I think this would be a great mower for them. They're in the foothills of the Appalachians, a lot of hills that are pretty steep where you don't want to really be on with a zero turn. This thing seems to be good and stable. I still need to take it out to Mom and Dad's house up here where they've got a pretty good sized ditch on the back. Backs up to a sort of a major highway, big steep ditch. So I'm gonna try to run it there, just see how it does. I'm pretty sure it'll do great. But if you got a real big property, a lot of hills, I think these things are great. I love the little diesel in it. I've yet to even put fuel in it. Mowed the yard, I think this is the 4th mow, and I haven't even put diesel in this thing yet. The little diesel runs great. It mows smooth. This right side, you can really get up around stuff. And it's comfortable. Just cruise along. It's nowhere near as loud as the other zero turn. So the zero turn, I'll usually wear earplugs. This one I'll still wear them usually, but if I'm not wearing them, I don't mind it. Doesn't get hot. So all in all, I think this is a great little mower for big properties, especially with hills. You still might want a smaller deck because the deck will scalp if you get in like ditches and things. But all in all, these are great little mowers. I've never really paid them any attention, but I might just keep this thing for myself. Hope you guys like this little part of the video. Like, subscribe, more to come.